In this video, I'll show you how to do the initial setup on your Canon PIXMA TR4720. The first step you need to do is to remove all these orange tape. There's a few of them, and I have speed up the video so it goes faster. Once you're done, we need to install the ink cartridges that come with the printer. You just need to remove them from the package. And then remove the orange label, the orange tape over here, like this. Never touch the contacts and never touch the print head with your finger. Do the same thing with the other ink cartridge, which is the black color. Then turn on the Canon printer with the button on the top left corner, and then lower this drawer, lower also this small tray, and finally lower this black door. In a few seconds, the printer will present to you where the cartridge should go, right there in the middle. The color cartridge 276 always goes on the left side. This is very important. And the black one, the 275, on the right side. If you forget this, there is always a label down below to remind you where each goes. First, you need to lower this blue retainer by pressing it down. Then insert the cartridge. So on the right side, this is the black one with the contacts facing the printer, like this. You just need to slide it. At the end, it should click, and then last step, put back the blue retainer to keep it in place. Now do the same exact thing for the color one. Sometimes you need to apply just a bit more pressure, use your thumb until it clicks. And then at the end, put back the blue retainer. Once you're done, just close this black door. Now let's load some paper. Lower this first door if it's not yet lowered. And here you'll have some blue tabs. What you need to do is to push them to the extremity like this, to let the paper in. Then, next step is to take a stack of paper and slide it like this. The printer should make a small beep sound just to confirm that there's some paper there. On the side here, never go above this small plastic guide, okay? Never put a stack of paper that is higher than this. And when you're done, you can lower this gray shelf. This is where the printed paper will go. So you can extend it this way and make it ready for paper to go in. Next step, I'll show you how to connect to a PC wirelessly, so you can scan, print, and do all this stuff without plugging the computer to your printer. To do that, you need to go on the screen here on the printer and select the language you want. I want English, so I'll press OK. Then move the selection with the left arrow over here, over yes, and then press the OK button. If you get this error message, don't worry. What you need to do is go back and open the ink cartridge compartment. Just lower this blue retainer and just push with your finger a bit more on the ink cartridges. Sometimes they're not connected properly, and just by doing this, it will fix the problem. Okay, so again, I'm just pushing it like this. Then close everything and we'll go back to the screen on the top here. You may have to wait a few seconds. I'll just speed up the video. Don't touch anything. And then this message will appear, which is adjusting for the first use. Since it's the first time you're using it, it will take about a minute. Again, don't touch anything. After that, you'll get another message on the screen, which is, do you want to update automatically your printer? I suggest that you choose yes. Okay, it's already selected. Just press OK. And then setup is completed. Press OK. And then it will ask to connect it to a computer. Just press OK and I'll show you how to do it. First thing is to press the plier and screwdriver button, this one, to enter setup mode. Then select Wi-Fi setup and press OK. Select with the arrow manual connect and press OK. It will search for your router. Make sure to connect to the same wireless network as your PC, so the same Wi-Fi. This is mine. I'll press OK. I'll press OK a second time, and here I have to enter the password. To change between numbers, small letters, and capital letters, you can use the star button, this one, to choose between them, and then you need to type your password. Once you're done, press OK, and it will connect to your Wi-Fi network. You should have this message when you're done telling you to press OK. Now go on your PC, select Start on the lower left side, and then select Settings. This one over here. Now you have to select Devices. And by the way, just make sure your PC is connected to the same wireless network as your printer. And from here, you need to select Printers and Scanners. On this page, you have to press on the plus symbol to add a printer. It will search for your Canon printer. My printer is the third one in this list, TR4720 series. It's this one. I'm gonna click on it. Add device. And now it should take a few seconds, maybe a minute. And you're gonna see the printer in the list below. Click on it and then click on Manage. Okay, once you click on Canon TR4720 series, you're gonna click Manage. From here, you can print a test page. If it's the first time using the printer, I suggest you do this. So you just make sure that the printer is actually working. Just by clicking it once, it will send the test page to the printer. So this is the print test. It works perfect. At this stage, you may get this message telling you that there's a firmware available. If you want to update your printer, just press OK and it will do it automatically. You can also have the option over here. I mean, if you go back to your Canon, press Manage again. If you were out of this menu, you can also select in this drop-down menu the scanner. If you don't have the scan app, it will say get the scan app. Just click on it. It will open the Microsoft Store where you can download for free the scan app. This way you'll be able to scan and send the documents on your PC. Once you're done, you can close this window. And when you select the scanner next time, you're gonna select Open Scanner over here. This is how you scan stuff using your PC. On this page, you'll be able to select the source. When you click on it, you can select between flatbed and feeder. What's the difference? Well, this Canon printer can scan two ways. The feeder is on the top here. You can feed many pages and it will scan them all at once. And the flatbed is this glass flatbed over here. Okay, so let me put a document there just to illustrate how you scan. Facing down always, and put it on the corner, push it to the limit. And here I can select flatbed, feeder, or auto configured. You can just leave it in auto, honestly. But if you see that it doesn't know where to scan, you can select a specific where you want. You can select if you want it to be a JPEG, PDF. If you click on Show More, you can select Save File To. So this way you can specifically tell the PC where to save the scanned document. In my case, I want it to be on the desktop. And finally, you need to click on the Scan button. If you don't see it, just put this window a bit on the top like this until you see Scan. And click on it. It will take a few seconds. The scanner will start doing its thing. And when you're done, you're gonna see there, okay, on the top of the page, scan was saved to desktop. And view button if you want to select that. You see right on top there. I'll go and open it since it's on my desktop. And here we go. This is the document that was on the flatbed. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, a comment, check the Amazon affiliate links in the description if you want to support this channel, and I will see you in the next one.